Students, now we will see or we learn the next figure of speech, that's assonance. The 14th figure of speech and assonance is the repetition of vowel sounds. Assonance is what? It's a repetition of the vowel sound in words, no? Not just letters but in words. The repetition of the vowel sounds in words that are close together. The sound means letter don't have to be at the beginning of the words. I think now it's clear to you. It means that vowel sounds will not come at the beginning of the sentence, but it will come in the middle of the words. Like for the rare and radiant maiden whom the angels named. So in rare, A is here, in radiant, A is here again and again 2 times, and in maiden, A is here, and in named, A is here. So A vowel is repeated many times. Therefore all seasons shall be sweet to thee. So which letter is repeated? E, 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 and EE. So this is called assonance. Now we will proceed to imagery. This is a literary device and used and have been used many times in your poems in class 12. Okay, so imagery. What is imagery? Imagery is a literary device that refers to the use of figurative language. Refers to the use of figurative language, means that creates image. Figurative is image or picture, to evoke a sensory experience or create a picture with words for the reader. Next definition: language that produces pictures in the mind of men who are reading or listening. So when any word you read it and a picture is created or picture is made in your mind, there will be imaginary figure of speech. So all the examples here been taken from your book, from your poem Men Beneath the Tree. So Men Beneath the Tree is from, you can match it out, it is from Aunt Jennifer's Tiger poem, and the same one is from also Men Beneath the Tree. Men is here, image, men. You can make an image of men. Tree also, image can be made in your mind. Tree, how tree looks like. And topaz, it is a gemstone name, topaz. And next one is see, endless fountain. Suppose that if I speak a word fountain, if I say the word fountain image can be made in your mind. Just like if I say mango, so a figure is created in your mind. Daffodils, clear reels, daffodil, clear reels, endless fountain. These are the words from your poem A Thing of Beauty. And bushes full of musk rose. You can make image of river and ivory needle. It is a needle which is made up of elephant teeth. So hope it is clear now.